So how does the Navy intend to use this technology?
Well, there could be a couple uses for it. The main initial use has always been humanitarian response, trying to get essential supplies to people in need. And there's a lot of examples of where this would be useful. Alternatives requirements maybe for carrying for military personnel, carrying payloads, maybe a radio or some sort of another device that's small in nature over the horizon in order to get perhaps it's a camera. You might need a camera to see and get visual clues as to what's going on in the battlefield. So there's multiple ways that this can be used. Very useful.
And how does the STP program, how did that help you transition your technology or the path it's on to transition?
Oh, absolutely. So, for example, buying drones currently it's normally overseas, right? You're typically looking at a Chinese vendor for most of your motors or your bodies. With STP, we were able to get the funding necessary to do the injection molds for making all of the injection molds here in America, right? That was something that we couldn't just afford right off the bat. So STP was very critical for that. In order to find all the different vendors, all the propellers, and the autopilot as well. An autopilot is normally very difficult to come by. It's normally all overseas. We were able to come with Mayan Robotics. It's a Californian company, and so we were able to find everything we needed that's American sourced. That was a big deal. We started with an initial price point of about $5,000. With STP, we were able to drop the price down to $1,000. So it was a big deal.
So what are your goals for this week? Speaking to just the FST event, what are your goals for this technology?
Absolutely. I really just want to get the technology out there. I want people to know what America is capable of, what we as a manufacturer is capable of. I want them to be able to see all of our products that we're trying to push and to find alternative uses for them. Something that we may not have thought of, they may have another use, another mission for. And so that's what we're looking for.
And what advice would you have to other small businesses who maybe don't have experience with SBIR or STP? What advice would you give to those small businesses?
Probably a key advice is it's very important to speak with the people who are involved in the program that have given you the program. Constantly inform them of your progress, whether it's good or bad. Let them be aware of what's going on in the program so that they can be there to help you. That's a key. That's something. You don't want to hide your mistakes and you don't want to hide your successes.